Hello students, welcome to today's English class. We are learning about determiners in Unit 2 of our English practice book. We have done all the worksheet of this unit and today we are going to do the last exercise of this unit. You can open your books on page number 19. But before doing this do-it-yourself exercise, let's revise some of the determiners again. Many and much. Many is used only with countable nouns. For example, I have many toys. There are many children at the ice cream parlor. And much is used only with uncountable nouns. Examples: there isn't much sugar in my coffee. Does your cow give much milk? Sugar and milk are uncountable nouns, so we use much with these nouns, and toys and children are countables, so we will use many with these nouns. Many and much means the same. It means zyada. Many means many in numbers and much means much in quantity. Next set of determiners is some and any. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns, generally in affirmative sentences. For example, I have invited some friends to the party. Some students have performed very well. There is some milk in the jug. In these three sentences, friends and students are countable nouns and milk is uncountable noun. So we can use this determiner some with both countables as well as uncountables. Some means less. हिंदी में जिसको हम कम बोलते हैं. Much and many means ज़्यादा and some and any means कम. Some is used in interrogative sentences when we expect a positive answer, and sometimes some is also used in interrogative sentences, but only when we know that the answer will be positive. And mostly we use it to offer something. Like, look at the sentence, will you take some more rice? कि हम किसी से कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं कि क्या आप कुछ और राइस लोगे, तो वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट द आंसर विल बी येस. तो in such sentences we can use some also. But mostly we use any in negative and interrogative sentences. Look at the use of any. Any is also used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but only in negative and interrogative sentences. Let's see the examples. There isn't any rice left in the bowl. Do you have any biscuits? So in negative and interrogative sentences, we use any, and in affirmative sentences, we use some. Next is a few and a little. इनका मतलब भी वही होता है, थोड़ा. Few or a few is used only with countable nouns to specify number. लेकिन जो a few यूज़ करते हैं हम countable nouns के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. See the examples. I have a few story books in my bookshelf. There are a few apples in the basket. So apples and story books are countable nouns. तो here we can also use some. Some भी use कर सकते हैं. I have some story books in my bookshelf. There are some apples in the basket. So some and a few both can be used here. But a few is used only with countable nouns. But some we can use with both. And then there is little and a little. A little is used only with countable nouns to specify quantity. अ फ्यू को हम काउंटेबल चीज़ों के साथ यूज़ करते हैं और अ लिटल इज़ यूज्ड विद अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. Look at the examples. I always enjoy a little ice cream in my coffee. She saves a little money every month for her new bicycle. Here the nouns are ice cream, cream, and money. Cream is uncountable and money is also uncountable. So we cannot use here a few because a few is used only with countable nouns. So a little ice cream and a little money. एंड लिटल एंड फ्यू विदाउट अ, जब बिना अ के हम लिटल और फ्यू यूज़ करते हैं, दे हैव नेगेटिव मीनिंग्स, मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट नथिंग. लिटल होप मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट नो होप. Few friends means almost no friends. Next is a lot of and enough. A lot of means ज़्यादा और enough means sufficient, काफ़ी. And these both determiners are used with countables as well as uncountable nouns. A lot of and enough are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. See the examples. We have a lot of orange juice in the fridge. There were a lot of peacocks in the zoo. I should drink a lot of water every day. I haven't enough money to buy this dress. There are enough chocolates in the container for everyone. So, like this, we use these two determiners. Now, let's do the exercise on page number 19. Do it yourself. Get into pairs. You have to attempt the test given below in 10 minutes. By encircling the correct word, you score 1 mark for every correct answer. The pair that finishes first wins. So I have done this exercise for you children. Look at the first sentence. Have you got potato? It is an interrogative sentence and we cannot use a lot. A lot of is used with plural numbers. Here we have potato. And a is also we cannot use here. We shall use here have you got any potato. Interrogative sentences में हम mostly any ही use करते हैं. Next is I eat dash ice creams in summer. A, many and a lot. Children, look at the word ice creams. Ice cream is an uncountable noun. बट यहाँ पे एस लग गया तो इट मीन्स ये आइसक्रीम स्टिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं या नंबर ऑफ आइसक्रीम कप्स की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे विच इज़ काउंटेबल. सो वी विल यूज़ मैनी. आई ईट मैनी आइसक्रीम्स इन समर. नेक्स्ट इज सेंटेंस नंबर 3. आई हैव गॉट अ स्टमक एक. आई वॉज थर्स्टी एंड ड्रैंक बॉटल्स ऑफ कोक. अब बॉटल्स है हमारे पास नाउन जिसके साथ हमने डिटर्मिनर यूज़ करना है. तो बॉटल्स काउंटेबल है तो टू मच नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. एनी भी यूज़ नहीं हो सकते बिकॉज इट इज़ एन एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. सो वी विल यूज़ टू मैनी. आई ड्रैंक टू मैनी बॉटल्स ऑफ कॉक इन द पार्टी. सो आई हैव गॉट स्टमक एक. नेक्स्ट इज हैव यू गॉट मनी. Many is used with countable nouns. We cannot use many. Money is uncountable noun. And little means almost nothing. So we will use some here. Have you got some money? Next is dash elephants are there in the zoo. Question mark है तो elephants countable हैं तो how much नहीं use कर सकते. So we shall use how many. How many elephants are there in the zoo? Next is Neha is not eating cake. She is on a diet. It is a negative sentence and in negative sentence we use any. So Neha is, cake is an uncountable noun, तो many हम नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, और some हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में यूज़ करते हैं, so we will use here any. Dash of the workers turned up for the meeting. Students, neither, either and enough. Enough, I just told you the meaning of enough means sufficient. And either means either or. ये दो डिटर्मिनर्स हैं जो मोस्टली इकट्ठे यूज़ होते हैं. ईदर एंड और मीन्स या ये या वो, और नीदर एंड नॉर मीन्स ना ये ना वो. And here we shall use the word neither. Neither of the workers turned up for the meeting. की मीटिंग के लिए कोई भी वर्कर नहीं आया. Next is, look at the next sentence. You can wear dash the red frock or the yellow one. अब in this sentence we have the word or, तो or से पहले हम either use करेंगे, because mostly either and or come together. तो you can wear either the red frock or the yellow one. या तो आप रेड फ्रॉक पहन सकते हो या येलो पहन सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज सेंटेंस नंबर 9. Did you participate in any competition as a participant? It's an interrogative sentence, and in interrogative sentence we use any. Next is sentence number 10. This is the first set of notebooks that I have to check. And we can also use next, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट और फर्स्ट दोनों के साथ हम द लगाते हैं. द लगा हुआ है सेंटेंस में ब्लैंक से पहले, तो वी कैन यूज़ बोथ फर्स्ट एंड नेक्स्ट. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ नोटबुक्स और दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ नोटबुक्स दैट आई हैव टू check. So like this you will complete this worksheet. Next, here we have a worksheet which you have, here we have some determiners, and you have to add any noun with these determiners of your choice, and you have to also put a tick mark against the countable nouns. Or if you are using any countable nouns with these determiners, then you will put a tick in the box. Let's see how you will do it. All students, some books, any number, second position, another answer, many children, first prize, third period, next row, last day, each question, much milk, either color, a few toffees, a little water, neither candidate, every year, enough money. So here I have used these naming words. You can use the nouns of your own choice, and don't forget to put a tick against the countable nouns. Mostly I have used countable nouns here. So this is how you have to do this exercise. That's all with the determiners. I hope you have understood about determiners. Thanks and have a nice day.